Hi guys, this is HowTo, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an epic member den. So let's get started. And I'm going to my den right now, but the den that we're using is going to be the small house, which I call the regular house and stuff. Sorry if you guys hear some stuff in the background. My sisters are watching TV, so yeah. So let's get started. So what you're gonna have to get is a cake bake kitchen. I'm sorry guys, if this keeps on happening, it's gonna be terrible. So, my computer isn't working that good today. Anyway, so what you're gonna have is, it's actually a family den, so cake bake kitchen thing. I put it right here. And then a fridge, which is actually pretty cute. Then an HD television, or an HD TV. Okay. And then the banyan tree, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it doesn't really matter right now. So, I put it right here. This porch swing right here. And then this little coyote pond, I think it's called. So, and I put it right here. So we got that all covered, and then you're gonna want the pool table. And then you're gonna want this too. So this, I'm pretty sure I would put it like, I'd put it right here. Oh, I'm not done, but my computer's gonna like do the thing again. So, yeah. So, I have a membership, and I have free chat. See, you wouldn't be able to say that. So yeah, I'm gonna put this up a little because, yeah, I would be able to say like, oh, sorry guys, stop. Okay, and then you would be able, okay, and then this fire pit. Okay, it's happening again. Sorry guys, this is gonna happen a little bit. So I have to live with it because like it always happens to me. It's not fun. Like, if you don't know what I'm talking about like my computer glitching and stuff. So yeah, this here, this would be over here, and you turn it so that it's like that. And then this, I can't really see. Grandfather clock. Oh, you'd have that. And it would be right here. And then this, I'm guessing, should be like right here or something. Or here. But I'm gonna put it here because it just looks better. Like that. And then I'd have this be like right here. And this egg chair would be right here. If you guys don't know where everything is, you guys could always just do it on a trade. That's where I get most of my stuff, actually, by a trade. So that's why I have a lot of good stuff. Not that you guys don't, but, and then I'd have that with this probably like right here. Just right here. And then actually the egg chair would probably be over here. It just looks prettier. I don't know. I'd have that there. Gazebo, I think it's, yeah. And then, actually I wouldn't have it. Oh no, it's gonna happen again. So, yeah. I mean, it's pretty cute, actually. Like all of this, but there's gonna be a wall after the thing happens with my computer. So, see, it's happening. Sorry guys, like it just keeps on happening and stuff today. It's almost like my computer doesn't like me. So, am I done? And then I would probably have this fancy tall, this, forgot what it's called, like right, I don't actually know where to put it. Oh, maybe right here or something. Okay. I'm gonna get an extra pair of those candles. So that it will look like really pretty and stuff. Yeah. So I do that. Okay. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. So, I'm thinking maybe, actually, I don't think this is really like a, sorry, I'm just testing this out. I like that. Oh, that looks too fancy. I'm gonna do there we go. Now I'm done. And actually, no, I'm not done. I'm gonna go in the Soul Arcade, and I'm gonna buy something from, it's gonna happen again. Wait, let's see this. Oh, it just changes. It's actually pretty cool, like all these stuff. I just feel bad for you, guys, like for all of you, non-members. Because you guys don't really get a lot of stuff, so I'm really sorry for you guys. And that's how I felt, actually. I felt really, really sad and stuff. So when I was a non-member, I'm like, oh, I really, really want this and that and that. And that's how I became a member eventually, like right now. But my other account got banned. And it was jeez, 500. See, it was banned. Ow, okay, sorry. But anyway, I hope you really liked this video. And please like, subscribe, and comment. And it's probably gonna say it's inappropriate. Okay, please like, subscribe. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just put and comment. Okay. Sorry guys, I just felt like doing that. And bye guys. I'll see you in my next video, which I might make today, so bye.